Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. We all are aware of the term COVID 19. COVID is spreading globally, but important is to take necessary measures. Coronavirus disease is named by the World Health Organization on 11 February 2020 as COVID 19. World Health Organization declared a global emergency on 30th January 2020. An investigation is going on to determine more about this outbreak. So here is our first part of general knowledge question on COVID-19. So take out your paper and pen or pencil and write down the correct answer and match with our answer. So let's start from first question and see how much you know about coronavirus. Question number 1. How does coronavirus transmit? And the options are A. When a person sneezes or cough, droplets spread in the air or fall on the ground and nearby surfaces. B. If another person is nearby and inhales the droplets or touches these surfaces and further touches his face, eyes or mouth, he or she can get an infection. C. If the distance is less than 1 meter from the infected person. And D. All the above are correct. And the right answer is D. Because coronavirus, that is COVID 19, transmits through all the above mentioned options. And now, next question. Question number 2. What happens to a person suffering from COVID 19? And the options are A. Around 80% of the people will require no treatment as such and will recover on their own. B. Around 20% or a small proportion may need hospitalization. C. A very small proportion, basically suffering from chronic illness, may need admission in an intensive care unit, that is ICU. And D. All the above are correct. And the right answer is D. Because a person who develops COVID 19, majority of the people, that is 80%, does not require treatment and will recover on their own. And a small proportion, that is less than 20%, may need hospitalization. And a very small proportion who are underlying chronic illness may need to admit in an ICU. Question number 3. In which age group the COVID-19 spreads? And the options are A. COVID-19 occurs in all age groups. B. Coronavirus infection is mild in children. C. Older person and persons with pre-existing medical conditions are at high risk to develop serious illness. And D. All the above are correct. And the right answer is D. Because COVID-19 occur in all the age groups. But according to AIMS, the infection of coronavirus is mild in children. Persons are at risk who are old and persons suffering from some medical conditions like high blood pressure, cancer, lung disease, diabetes, heart disease, etc. Question number 4. What is coronavirus? And the options are A. It is a large family of viruses. B. It belongs to the family of nidovirus. C. Both A and B are correct. And D. Only A is correct. And the right answer is C. Because coronaviruses are a large family of viruses and belong to nidovirus family or nidoviral order, which includes coronaviridae, arteriviridae, and roniviridae families. Question number 5. World Health Organization on 11 February 2020 announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? And the options are A. COVID-19, B. COVID-19, C. COVID-20, and D. COVID-19. And the right answer is A. WHO named the disease that is caused by the novel coronavirus as COVID-19. Question number 6. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in option A. Beijing City, option B. Shanghai City, option C. Wuhan City, Hubei, or option D. Tianjin City. And the right answer is C. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, Hubei province, China. Question number 7. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? And the options are A. MERS, that is MERS, B. SARS, that is SARS, C. Both A and B, and D. Neither A nor B. And the right answer is C. Coronavirus may cause illness from the common cold to more other serious diseases like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, that is MERS, and Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, that is SARS. Question number 8. Mild symptoms of novel coronavirus are, and the options are A. Fever, B. Cough, C. Shortness of breath, or D. All the above. And the right answer is D. People infected with novel coronavirus reported with mild symptoms, namely fever, cough, and shortness of breath, whereas other common symptoms may include runny nose, headache, sore throat, and general feeling of unwell, etc. Question number 9. From where coronavirus got its name? And the options are A. Due to their crown-like projections, B. Due to their leaf-like projections, C. Due to their surface structure of bricks, or D. None of the above. And the right answer is A. Due to their crown-like projections. The virus resembles a crown when viewed under an electron microscope. Corona in Latin means halo or crown. And last but not the least, question number 10. What are the precautions that need to be taken to protect from the coronavirus? And the options are A. Cover your nose and mouth when sneezing. B. Add more garlic into your diet. C. Visit your doctor for antibiotics treatment. Or D. Wash your hands after every hour. And the right answer is A. According to WHO, a person can take precautions by covering the nose and mouth while sneezing via tissue or an elbow. Then immediately throw the tissue into a closed dustbin. So that's it for now, children. We will meet soon with new questions and answers on the very same topic. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.